If you want to keep your Photos app private, here's how to lock it on your iPhone. First of all, go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go to App Limits, then tap Add Limit and enter your passcode. After that, choose Photos under the Creativity section. Next, set the time limit to 1 minute and then tap Add. And after 1 minute of use, the Photos app will be locked and can only be opened with your passcode. You can also use Face ID or your Touch ID for hidden album. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Again scroll down and tap on Photos. Then search for Use Face ID or Touch ID and toggle it on. After that, your photos moved to the hidden album will require biometric unlock. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more